Have you ever walked away from a simple conversation feeling unusually drained? You weren't running, you weren't working, you weren't doing anything intense, yet your energy felt completely gone. Most people don't realize that certain interactions act like quiet mental overload. Some people carry a heavy emotional presence, and without noticing it, you absorb the weight of their words, their mood, or their expectations. It doesn't feel dramatic. It just feels like your mind is suddenly tired for no reason. You begin to lose clarity. You struggle to stay focused. Your thoughts feel slower, softer, less sharp. This isn't because you're weak or antisocial. It's because your brain is using up its mental energy trying to respond, support, adapt, or protect you in the moment. When this happens often, irritation becomes easier. Small things feel bigger. Tiny comments feel heavier. Your patience disappears faster than you want it to. Your mind is overstimulated, and there's no room left to process anything new. Another sign is avoidance. You see messages, but you don't open them. You mean to reply, but you can't bring yourself to do it. Even simple conversations feel like they demand too much. Your brain isn't rejecting people. It's trying to conserve what little energy it has left. Your joy may start to fade too. Activities you normally enjoy don't feel the same. You're doing things but not really feeling them. That emotional flatness is a signal that your mind is running on empty. Sometimes you may even feel disconnected from your own life. You're present, but you don't feel fully alive. You move, speak, and react, but somewhere inside you feel distant. This is your mind shifting into protection mode, almost like lowering the lights to save power. The good news is this: you can restore your energy without cutting people out completely. You can protect your mental space in small, gentle ways. Start by recognizing when a conversation is draining you. You don't have to fix the other person, but you can adjust your engagement. Shift the topic, take a short break, or simply end the interaction sooner. Give yourself recovery moments throughout the day. Step outside, breathe deeply, sit in silence for a minute. Your brain resets faster than you think when you give it stillness. Be kind to yourself when you feel tired. Don't call yourself lazy. Don't shame yourself for needing space. Self-compassion is proven to reduce emotional exhaustion and rebuild your inner resources. And remember this: protecting your energy isn't rude, it's responsible. It allows you to show up fully when it actually matters, instead of burning yourself out in 100 small ways. If this helped you understand yourself a little better, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more insights into your inner world. You're not fragile. You're just carrying more than you realize, and your mind is asking you to listen.